Hi guys, today I received this DCOMEET universal travel adapter for event purposes, and I think it's a really nice one because, well, first of all, you can use it in the UK, in Europe, in United States, or even Australia, which is really nice. You can take this in your travels and use your devices and charge them and plug it on into the energy without having any problem because the outlet ain't compatible. It comes in this little travel bag, which is really nice. This is the brand name. You open it, you have it here. These are the basic instructions. It tells us that you can use it in the US or China, the European mode, the UK mode, or the Australia and New Zealand mode. Okay. Now, this is the power adapter. It's a really sleek design. I like the colors. As you can see, you can connect all your devices here, depending on the plug you use is what you are gonna need. I have this US standard plug, so I just connected right here, okay? Besides, it has 2 USB-A port and 3 Type-C ports, which is really nice, meaning that you can charge many things at the same time with this power adapter, and it's a nice feature, okay? So how do you use it? You push these buttons like this and the connector gets out. This is a UK one. This is the European. And okay, to put it back in, you need to press this button. Now you unlock it. And this is the arrow, okay? This is the one I use because this is the type of plugs that I have here. Okay, got my power outlet here, so I'm just gonna plug it in and use it with myself. Okay, here's my charger. Let's test first the Type-C ports. They are working. Okay, right here you can see it's working. Let's check the other ones. Works. The last one. It works. Okay, so now I'll plug it with the power adapter. Okay, now this plug is 65 watts of power, which is really nice and can secure a very fast charge of your devices, like even your laptop. I have here the charger. I'm gonna plug it in that. Take this thing out, okay, and I'll plug it in, and here start charging. As you can see, the battery has a lightning icon, which means it's charging. All right. Okay, so I'll just have my laptop charging, and I'll use the other port, the Type-C, to charge my phone, and it's also working. So it's a really nice option to have in your travels, to don't have any problems with the all the power outlets that you need in different countries, which is something really nice. You can just take it with you in this travel bag, seal it up, and it won't get any dust inside of it, which is really nice. Okay, see you.